Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome and please join me as I unbox my first Philips Blaise mask. So in the box it says here, every breath matters, and I think it is. It does matter. So come on, join me. So this is the box. The feel of the box is so elegant and it looks very expensive. Wow! And depending on the color that you get, this one is color pink. That's why you see the swirl. It's a bit pink. So let's see inside. Inside of the box, this is the pink Philips Blaise mask. Actually, it looks like a bra. And it looks very premium with the mold inside. And it comes with, so this is the mask. It comes with one filter, and let's see. It comes with the charger and the instructions, which I can't read because it is in Chinese. So anyway, the turbo fan is inside and you can easily push it out. There you go. There's a magnet where you'll be able to attach it, so you can attach it easily. There. So each box comes with a filter. This is the filter inside that you need to put. Okay, it comes with the outer mask, the cloth mask. This one is disposable. This one is reusable. And the turbo fan inside. So here, as you can see, this is the motor, and the motor produces up to 41 liters per minute of airflow. It has 3 levels, 3 filter settings, and when it's out of battery, you can easily power this up using your USB cable, which is included in the box. It comes in 3 colors. You have your black, your light sheet pink, and your light slate. It's great. I got my Philips Blaise mask at 9,000 pesos. And I guess it's good, but I have to use it first for a bit longer of time so that I'll know if this really works or not. I would like to show you the other one. This is the box of the black Blaise mask. This is the color black. So if it is a bit loose, you can adjust it on the side.